Spencer from Macquarie, and we were talking about it. It's like, let's go do an aero sequence and want to do wing walking. So we chose the airplane, and, I know how to fly that airplane, figure it out. And then we just start seeing how can I get 0G between the wings and what can we do. And I don't know if you've ever had your hand outside a window going about 145 miles an hour. I don't know if you've done that.
Yeah.
60 miles an hour and then, multiply it. But feel the force of it. It was pretty intense, I gotta say. It's a good question. I didn't realize, like, that amount of force of air, I can't breathe. So I had to figure out how you're taking the wind and you're breathing down here like this. And, the air particles coming off that propeller are traveling at the speed of sound. So the air is going around the fuselage like this. And the force of the air when I got close to fuselage was brutal. I mean, the air going over the wing period was brutal.
Yeah.
But when the airplane went upside down and also the engine would stop, like we did it, like there's stuff where I'm there and I was like, okay, let's see how long we can hold that, so that with the engine stop and then so we, believe me, we spent a lot of time figuring this stuff out, like
But
how to start the engine from here and not going to the ground. And when I'm resting, it is the most intense weight workout you've ever had. Have you ever lifted a weight where it's impossible to lift it again?
Yeah.
That's what it's like after a couple of minutes on this wing, what we're doing. Because the maneuvers, you're going from 95 to 145, miles an hour, and then you're pulling the G's as we're going along. Because a lot of the stuff you're seeing, when I've got to get to 0G as I'm floating in between the wings and trying to maneuver up and down the wings. And as he's going, it's throwing me in different directions, and and I don't know. It was crazy.
But
it was crazy.
It really was, honestly.
I don't know. It was a lot of fun. It was crazy. Yeah, it was crazy.
You actually brought us.
People were like, it's crazy. I was like,